Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you try to open video editor on your Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer, now instead of opening video editor, it gives you an option to get Clipchamp. Now over here you don't see a video editor. Now even if you open the Photos app, the video editor is missing in Photos app. So if you want to access old video editor, in that case you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Microsoft Photos Legacy. So click on Get in Store app and it will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store and then you will see install option to install Microsoft Photos Legacy. So click on Get and let the download complete. Now once done, you can click on Open and this will open Photos Legacy and you should be able to see video editor over here. So you can click on it and you can start using video editor. You can also open video editor separately. You can type in video editor and this will open video editor like before. So this is how you can access the old video editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.